I'm Nora Miller. I'm the General Manager here at the Ambassador Hotel. I've been here for 2 years. The Ambassador is an upscale boutique hotel here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. It's been around for 20 years in its current ownership, but it's been around for 90 years actually as a building. It's on the National Register of Historic Places. We were using another vendor and I wasn't very satisfied with what I felt they were offering me, and so I approached Burgraff and they were really quick to get me a quote. They worked with me a lot. One of the sort of unique challenges we face here when we're doing projects like cleaning projects with Burgraff was we run at a very high occupancy. Not many days do we drop below 80%, so we don't have the luxury of shutting down 2 or 3 floors at a time where they can really take their time and go through it. So Burgraff was an excellent partner because they worked with us, they were flexible. They were able to work around our rooms which were occupied versus the rooms that were vacant, and they went in and they got the job done to the high level of quality that we expect here. So it was an amazing experience. At the end of the day, they always had me walk through and around the rooms and the corridors that they had treated. If we saw any spots, they would try to spot treat them with us. And they were just really good at working through making sure that we were happy at the end of the day instead of just leaving saying job done and adios. So it was a really positive experience. We've used them a few times since because of it.